Hi, I'm Umashankar from eTangerine Technologies. We are a group of professionals focused on building e-commerce website. I have reviewed your proposal in Upwork and I felt that we can deliver a great product for you. In fact, we have a product that is very similar to the product that you need. I'll walk you through this product, which will give you a good idea of how your product will be once we have done. So this is the website I'm referring to. This is the product that we built for a client of ours, and our team continuously adds more features on top of this product. This website is built using WordPress and WooCommerce as a main plugin. You can see the landing page with a prominent beautiful carousel, and the entire style of this website is professional and pleasant. It is an in-house theme built by us. When we built your website, you will find the same design, something which is more striking and aligned with the message that you want to communicate about your brand and business. So if you notice, there is a video running in the background of this website, which makes the entire website looks fabulous, attractive. Now let me jump to the working of this website. So this is a shop page. As a customer, I can search for the category which I want to select and for the day. From the product page, I can choose a product which I would like to buy. And this product detail page contains all the details of the product which I am like to buy for the day. And there is another feature which is mouse hover zoom. You can view the product in high definition view by hovering your mouse on the product image. There is two options to buy this product, that is add to cart and quick buy. The difference is the quick buy will automatically direct the customer to the checkout page, and the add to cart will add the product and let you continue your shopping. So let me select quick buy. So I'm directly routing to the checkout page. In the checkout page, as I have already logged in, I can able to find all my billing information is already displayed. And here you have two options to make the payment, that is PayPal. If you select the PayPal, it will automatically routes you to the PayPal website where you can able to give all your payment information, that is credit card information and everything, and you can make the payment. I'm going to use now with a check payment. Once the customer placing an order, the order will be available for you, that is admin, to view in the admin panel. The customer can view the order details in the website, that is the order is placed and order number and what the mode of the payment and billing information and everything. So this is the admin panel which is available for the admin, that is the website owner. So from the dashboard, you could able to view the order details and everything. So you can find this order which we have placed just before, and you can view all the details about the order and everything. So as admin, I can able to change the order status. That is, currently the order is in hold, and now I am changed the order to processing. In the admin panel, you could find the order has been moved to admin to the processing page. So as such, customer can able to view the product status has been changed in his view as well. So there is lot many of functionalities available in this website, and I believe I have covered the most important part of which, and in interest of your time, I am ending the product walkthrough here. So moving on, we can build a similar professional and beautiful website for you, a website that is unique and reflects your company value and passion. Apart from WordPress WooCommerce, I don't foresee any significant challenges here. We can have a further discussion about color and design. Please contact me through Skype, phone or email. Contact details are available in the proposal. I look forward to hearing from you, and many thanks for your time for reviewing our proposal. Good luck.